Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check your Huawei model and MIUI/Android version because different builds require different packages. Next, enable developer options and allow install from unknown sources so you can sideload apps. Once done, make a secure backup of your photos and settings and ensure the battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions. You do this to reduce risk and to have a recovery point in case an install fails, which makes later troubleshooting far simpler. You now install the core Google packages in a specific order so services register correctly. Start with Google Account Manager, then Google Services Framework, and finally Play Services. If your installer bundle includes Play Store, install it last. Make sure to grant any runtime permissions during installation and reboot when prompted to finalize service registration. If an installer offers a patch for your MIUI, apply it as instructed, because mismatched versions usually cause sign-in or sync. You finish by signing into the Play Store and updating Play Services and Google Apps to the latest compatible versions. This resolves many runtime issues. If you encounter crashes, force stop and clear cache/data for Play Services and Play Store, then reboot. Make sure background data is allowed and battery optimization is disabled for Play Services. If problems persist, revert to your backup and carefully repeat the exact install order or try an alternate GMS package tailored for your MIUI build to avoid persistent conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.